Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to register for an Oyster card online. Start by opening Google on your phone or PC and search for Register Oyster Card Online. Click on the first result from TfL Transport for London, which will take you to the official page. From here, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Click on Create Account and enter your email address. A verification code will be sent to you, which you'll need to confirm before continuing. Next, you'll be asked to select your title, then move on. Adding a mobile phone number is optional, so you can skip it if you like and click Next. After that, choose your country. You can leave it as the United Kingdom if applicable. You'll then be asked to enter your address details. While some fields are optional, you must provide the street name, city, and postcode. Once everything is filled in, click Next to continue. The system will guide you through the rest of the setup. After your account is created, you'll be able to purchase and register your Oyster card successfully. Thanks for watching One More Guru. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.